In this video, D Street Media was trying to document what he believed was a boat with people from a different country landing on the shores of the United States in San Diego. The fire captain Shook tried telling the auditor to get back, that there was a crime scene. Here's a question for Captain Shook and every public official. Is it illegal to document crimes? Wouldn't the people want to know exactly what's going on in this country? Do the people have a right to know what's going on? Check out this video from D Street Media. Go subscribe. Let them know I sent you. Here we go.
Come on, let's not.
Okay, listen. The first, he's cussing at me.
Does that
because
make
of
it
you.
right to you?
Because of you. Because of you and your actions. What you're doing.
Oh,
I'm a
so
journalist. I'm press.
causing
I've
you
identified myself, Captain Shook.
You did not identify yourself.
You see, when you pick up one of these cameras, you are press.
Everybody has a camera.
First Amendment right. You know when you pick up your religion, you cross and you pray to it? That's your freedom of religion.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, I'd like to present to you guys one particular video from an amazing channel. That channel goes by D Street Media. I can tell you guys that he really knows his stuff and stands up for himself. If you guys haven't yet already subscribed to his channel, I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description below for everyone to go ahead and do so. And along with that, I would like to make a quick announcement for my very new channel, and that is called I Know My Rides. I will leave a link for that channel down below in the description as well. Go ahead and check this video out. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. As always, I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Beautiful Ponga, beautiful beach. Notice how calm I am at the beginning of the video.
Go ahead again.
This area is closed off. It's a crime scene right now.
Okay, well, it's a public property.
It's a crime scene, sir.
I'm not going to walk past you, not going to challenge you, Captain Shook.
Yeah, we have to keep it closed.
But you know what to do with the crime scene, right?
We're taping it off right now.
Okay, well, when the tape's up, I'll leave.
The tape is going up, sir.
You're not going to physically remove me.
No, I'm not, but you need to...
Okay, then please stop impeding my travel. Please stop impeding my travel.
Can you hand me some caution tape, please?
As soon as the tape's up, I'll move.
The tape, we're trying to put the tape up right now.
Okay, but you're preventing me from doing my job.
You're impeding an investigation.
No, I'm not. You're impeding me from doing my job. Stop it.
What is your job?
Captain Shook?
What is your job?
I just told you.
What?
I'm documenting you in your public capacity trying to physically move me.
I'm not trying to physically move you.
You're impeding my travel. He's not an officer. He's a fire captain. Who are you? Listen, you don't know about the First Amendment, okay?
This is a crime scene.
Do you hear that? You.
Come on, let's not.
Okay, listen. The first, he's cussing at me.
Does that
because
make
of
it
you.
right to you?
Because of you. Because of you and your actions. What you're doing.
Oh,
I'm a
so
journalist. I'm press. I've
you
identified myself, Captain Shook.
You did not identify yourself.
You see, when you pick up one of these cameras, you are press.
Everybody has a camera.
First Amendment right. You know when you pick up your religion, you cross and you pray to it? That's your freedom of religion.
Scene, sir.
This is your freedom. I'm not touching anything.
Crime scene, sir.
What I'm doing, you're trying to touch me.
I'm not trying to touch you.
You were acting like it.
I'm not trying to touch you one bit.
You're a professional victim. You want to have people start a problem with you.
Sure.
You're a professional douchebag. So shut the
Hey, none of that.
Shut the up. You want to cuss at me and you want to threaten me in front of the fire captain? Let's go. Bring it down here, buddy.
Let's go, dude.
Look what you started all this.
Violence.
You started all this. All I wanted to do was take my pictures and you stopped me, bro.
How did I start this?
Listen,
I have to say, it's quite disheartening and disappointing to see a fireman acting like this and out of line. Let alone him being the fire captain. You would think he in particular would have higher standards and a bit more respect for the people who pay his salary. But this isn't the first time we are witnessing this kind of incident. Of course, you guys and I have seen many times before that public officials will have a feeling of entitlement to certain powers over different people, especially when determining where one can and cannot stand. I think some of these public officials in these videos power trip just a little bit too much. And of course, that just isn't okay for anyone. Keep watching, guys.
What I want to do is take my pictures.
Take them, but not here. Not here.
Shut up! You crybaby. What's your name? Jay Pennell? I might FOIA request that. I might also FOIA request that.
Why don't you put your phone in your ass?
You hear this guy shouting out here and threatening
I heard
threats
you
of violence?
yelling profanities at him.
He said, fuck you.
I heard you yelling
Well,
profanities.
guess what?
At him.
There's a good thing that I have a camera, and it's a good thing that you have a camera, and you were trying to impede my travel.
I was not trying. I'm trying to get you out of a crime scene.
Well, listen, that's what the police and the fire are for, not you.
I am.
Really?
Yes.
Okay, so you put up the tape, and guess what? What'd I do?
What?
What did I do after you put up the
We're
tape?
trying to block this whole area off. This area up here is a crime scene as well. Please leave
Okay,
the area.
As soon as you put up the tape, I will. But check it out. Look who's in the crime scene.
He's exiting the vehicle.
Really? Let's see how you treat this guy. So there you go, Captain Shook, Solana Beach Fire Department, or lifeguard, my bad. Jay Shook, pulling
Yes,
out his
sir.
phone. I'm going to FOIA request that. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You know what a FOIA request is?
A what?
A FOIA request? 2481.
What?
You're on a power trip, buddy.
I'm in a what?
You're on a power trip, buddy.
No, I'm trying to secure
No, you're on a power
crime
trip. Look,
scene.
look, I'm walking in and out. You have no problem with it, but you tried to physically move me, bro. You're on fucking notice, bro. Then you pull out your phone and you film me. I'm gonna FOIA request that. There you go. D Street Media being confronted by a bunch of tyrants.
Here's part 2 after I went live. He continued to follow me. Check it out.
At school today, didn't you? Didn't you? Why are you approaching me again? Why are you approaching me again? Sergeant Byrne already told you.
I'm not approaching you. I'm coming.
Why are you filming with your camera? That's a FOIA request. Do you know that? You're on the job right now. I can request what's on your phone. Do you know that? You don't know the laws, man. This is silly, bro. You're acting silly. You're acting silly. Listen, I know Giles. Shh. I know Giles, right? And he's never acted the way you have. Today was disgraceful on your part. Today was very disgraceful on your part.
Thank you.
You earned it. I've never seen a lifeguard act the way you did today.
I've never seen a member of the press act the way you have.
Have you ever tried to intimidate and try to grab them?
No, I never have.
So why'd you try to do that to me
I
with
did
me?
not.
Why'd you put up all that tape for me? And you let other people go in and out of the scene and walk through it.
I didn't.
You didn't, but you let
I did not.
you let your lifeguards do it that you instruct, that follow your orders. Is that correct? You engaged with me, right? I didn't say a word. You're engaging with me again.
No, I came over here to talk to the Border Patrol.
No,
and
you pulled your camera out. You pulled your camera out.
Because you had your camera on me, so I just want to
See,
make sure.
no. Guess what? I'm a reporter, and you're a public servant. Okay? So you don't get to pull your camera out whenever you want.
Why not?
If you do, I can FOIA request that. Because guess what? That's now official capacity.
Sure.
You don't even know the laws, man. Come on, dude. You're law enforcement, dude. Learn the laws. Just read them. Read the first one, the First Amendment, dude. Come on.
Just act like a civil human
Hey,
being.
read the First Amendment. Freedom of speech.
Yeah, that's right.
Freedom of religion.
If you would have said,
Right?
hey, I'm with the
Freedom
press,
of press. But guess what? I don't have to have a press badge to be the press. Do you understand that? See, that's what you don't understand. If you have a camera, you just pulled it out and you became a member of the press. And you're confronting me. And you're walking away because you have nothing to say.
I never confronted you. You confronted me.
You just
'cause
came
I was-
over.
I came over to talk to the Border Patrol.
Hold your camera
agent
out and you talk with me.
because you're filming me. so
Semantics.
stop it.
Semantics. No, I'm not stopping. This is public property. Might be back, actually. Sergeant Byrne.
I was gonna try and smooth things over with you, but you're just too.
That's
too
because
much.
Sergeant Byrne schooled you.
No,
Yeah, he did. I saw him.
I'm trying to be a scene.
You're not, actually. You were trying to put your hands on me.
I never tried to put my
You're
hands on.
intimidating me, and you were actually blocking my path of travel.
No, never.
Really? This says different.
Show me.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a complaint form I can have?
No, but I can give you my card.
Okay, let's have that card. And then we'll find out who we can talk to above you. Can we come in?
No.
No? Can't come in a building that we pay for with our taxpayers?
See that right there?
I see it. That's why I asked. Did you hear me ask?
Yeah, that's why I said no.
Okay. That's why I asked, right?
Yeah.
Why is this so difficult, man?
You tell me.
Why are you being so weird? What do you have to hide? I see these stripes, dude. What's up with that?
I'm being difficult.
Dude, you saw people going in and out of that scene, and you chose to hassle me. Is it because I have a camera?
I did not hassle you.
You did.
I told you, this is a crime scene. We're trying to keep it clear, and you started harassing me.
Actually, the camera will show very different.
Yeah.
Here we are, guys. Shook Captain. City of Solana Beach lifeguard headquarters. And that's how the captain acts. You realize if you would have let me have my shots, you wouldn't be part of this story. You realize that? You interjected.
yourself as a press, you would have your shots.
Do you understand the First Amendment protects anyone who has a camera? Clearly you don't, so kick rocks.
Crime scene.
Listen, you don't understand, do you? Do you have a PIO? Silence says a lot, homeboy. Again, guys. There's your captain. Shout out to you guys up there. We got supporters. Shout out.
Just let me get my shots, man. I'm trying to wake up.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed that, of course, be sure to head down below in the description to go subscribe. As always, be sure to leave your thoughts and opinions in the comment section down below as well. And lastly, of course, please do be sure to go subscribe to my brand new second channel called I Know My Rights. Once again, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.